Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. Yesterday, I was talking to an eagle, and we were talking about blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, and they mentioned something, and I wanted to break the myth. They were asking me, what company do I belong to? When dealing with cryptocurrency, mainly Bitcoin, of course with other cryptocurrencies around, they are so many. I think right now they're in thousands, right? And what took me off guard was the assumption that you have to belong to a company to be involved in the ecosystem of the cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. And that's the myth I would like to break today. You don't have to be part of a company or group. You can go directly and be involved in the ecosystem. Okay, let's reverse back. First of all, what is cryptocurrency? What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer digital currency, and I would like you to look at Bitcoin like money for the internet. The way you're using your shillings, the way you're using your dollars is the same way you can use cryptocurrencies. Is the same way you can use Bitcoin. You can literally go online right now and find something to buy with your Bitcoins if you have some. Or if you don't have any, what are some ways you can get some Bitcoin? One, you can use an exchange. An exchange is a place where you can buy and sell, whether it's Bitcoin or other alternative coins. You buy and sell so that you can get the coin you want. You know, it's as easy as that. This area is not too complicated, and I guess my role is to remove the mystery. So right now, as you can go to an exchange and get some Bitcoin, or you can decide to earn in Bitcoin. You can decide to provide services. I know many of you are business owners, and you say, okay, for me, you pay me only in Bitcoin or Litecoin or whatever, whichever method you choose, but you can do it that way. There is also a simpler way. You know, when many people are starting out in this ecosystem, because of its complexity, it can be a friend or a family member giving you some Bitcoin, showing you how to download your wallet, showing you how to send some Bitcoin and receive some Bitcoin. It's as simple as that. So others are, there are other complex ways of being involved, but to make it simpler, it's just go to an exchange. Remember, always consult a financial advisor when you choose to invest, because this field is very high risk. Use understanding. Take time for yourself to educate yourself how the area works. And everything I share here, these are my personal opinions, so don't take them as gospel and use your own personal judgment. But anyway, to break the myth is, yes, you can be involved in cryptocurrency without being part of any group or any business or anything. You can just go and start using it just by yourself. One of the things about cryptocurrency is it comes with responsibility. You have to learn how to store it. You have to learn how to protect it. You have to learn how to download wallets, how to keep your keys, your public keys and private keys. And remember, if you don't have your keys, it's not your Bitcoin. If your keys are being kept by someone else, it's their Bitcoin, or it's only your Bitcoin when you are keeping the keys, both private and public keys. and you have to know how to use the wallets. There are different types of wallets. There are mobile wallets, there are online wallets, they are, hard wallets, like the Ledger Nano, there's the Trezor. For example, an example of an exchange can be Coinbase. Coinbase also has a wallet, so it does both, So I hope that helps. This is Mother Ego. Leave all your questions regarding cryptocurrency and blockchain under this video, and we'll keep debunking the myths slowly and surely until we get comfortable with this new ecosystem. This is the evolution of money. Money is evolving from what we used to know to something different, and it will help if we get understanding. Oh, by the way, I went through the white paper of Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, and I'll post those videos in the Facebook group. So be sure to be part of the Facebook group. Those videos will be there sometime this week. All right, I love you guys. Bye.